So let's take a look at sort of what other functionality exists within the actual GUI of the extension there. So I'm just going to filter on a few transactions, and we'll pop open the extension window here again. Great, so this will always open on the Edit Data tab. We also have a Settings tab here, and what we can do in here is we can control how the user interacts with the extension. So we can see on the status field here, we had this marked as restricted, and this is where we would hide this field for a particular group of users so we could create that sort of approval workflow. We can choose whether or not we want these fields to be bulk editable. So we might want to be able to apply a discount to 1,000 rows at a time, or maybe for the comments or the narrative, we might want to force the user to fill this out line by line. That would just be an example. We can also choose what type of edit is appropriate for this field. And so we have a manually maintained drop-down box. We've got the filter pane concept from Qlik Sense. We have a numeric or text input box, and we've also got a checkbox here as well. Now, the third piece of the panel here to this extension window is actually the user management console. So what I can do in here is I can come and find a user, and I can actually remove that user, or on the inverse, I can actually go and add a user. So I can pick my directory, and this is referring back to our Qlik QMC. So I'm looking at the Pomerol user directory. I can pick John Fitzgerald as an example as a user I want to add. I'm going to make him an admin user, and I'm going to say he's not restricted to any of our special fields. I can hit submit here, and it's going to add that user and update our user list over on the left here.